Welcome to our lesson on Hadoop, a crucial framework in the world of big data. Today, we'll explore its features, benefits, and how it fits into the data science landscape. Hadoop is an open-source software framework designed for storing and processing large datasets. Its scalability allows it to handle massive amounts of data efficiently, making it essential for big data applications. This quote highlights Hadoop's transformative role in data processing. As we delve deeper, remember how it revolutionizes our approach to big data. Hadoop consists of several key components. The Hadoop Distributed File System, or HDFS, serves as the storage layer, while MapReduce processes large datasets in a distributed manner. One of the major benefits of Hadoop is its cost-effectiveness, utilizing commodity hardware for storage. Additionally, it offers flexibility by processing various data types, including structured and unstructured data. Hadoop is used across various industries, from finance to healthcare. Its ability to analyze large datasets helps organizations make data-driven decisions. When comparing Hadoop to traditional databases, we see key differences. Hadoop excels in handling large volumes of data, while traditional databases may struggle with scalability and cost. Hadoop is part of a larger ecosystem of tools. These tools enhance its capabilities, making it a powerful choice for big data processing. Within the Hadoop ecosystem, several tools enhance its functionality. Apache Hive offers a SQL-like interface for data querying, while Apache Pig simplifies data manipulation through a high-level platform. This statement emphasizes the significance of Hadoop's ecosystem. Understanding these complementary tools is essential for leveraging Hadoop effectively. Despite its advantages, Hadoop presents challenges. The complexity of setting it up requires skilled personnel, and ensuring data security necessitates proper configurations. To get started with Hadoop, first install it on your system, following the official documentation. Next, explore online tutorials to enhance your learning through hands-on practice. Joining the Hadoop community can enhance your learning experience. Engage in forums to share experiences and seek advice, and consider attending meetups to network with fellow data enthusiasts. Looking ahead, Hadoop is set to evolve alongside technology. Its integration with AI tools will enhance its analytical capabilities, making it even more relevant in the future. In summary, we've explored what Hadoop is, its components, benefits, and challenges. Understanding these key points will help you leverage Hadoop effectively in your data science journey. Hadoop's impact on industries is profound. By enabling data-driven decisions, it leads to improved outcomes and fosters innovation in data processing, opening new analytical possibilities. This quote encapsulates Hadoop's essential role in big data analytics. As you continue your studies, remember its significance in the broader data landscape. To enhance your knowledge of Hadoop, consider reading books that provide in-depth insights. Additionally, enrolling in online courses can offer structured learning to reinforce your understanding. As you move forward, practice applying what you've learned about Hadoop. Staying updated with developments in big data will keep your skills relevant. In conclusion, Hadoop is a vital tool in the big data landscape. Understanding its components and applications will empower you in your data science journey. Thank you for participating in this lesson on Hadoop. Stay curious and continue exploring the fascinating world of data science. We appreciate your feedback on this lesson. It plays a crucial role in improving our future content, so please take a moment to evaluate the course. Stay connected with us online. Follow us on social media for updates, and subscribe to our newsletter to receive the latest news directly in your inbox. Thank you for joining this lesson on Hadoop. We look forward to seeing you in the next module of our data science course.